This is the Royal Master Grinder's spool-to-spool feeding system. The spool-to-spool feeding system can be set up to rotate as it pays out and collects spooled wire. Applications will benefit by the uniqueness of the system with its ability to rotate in synchronization to allow for a process to be performed on a round material. The process between the spools can be a grinding process. The size of the wire is limited in its flexibility for the upper range and its tensile strength in its lower side. Lower diameter range is 4 thou. Here we are demonstrating the grinding of two-taper forms in continuous mode with in-process gauging and the display of the diameters and the lengths. Materials such as nitinol, SLT stainless steel, catheters, guitar strings, nylon, or plastics are ideally suited. With the spool-to-spool system, the process will feed and rotate raw material from one spool to another. The spool-to-spool feed system is not limited to a grinding process. You can pick your process in between the two spools. This could be a coiling process or a coating process or whatever your rotating process might be. We can handle up to 60 thou diameter material and grind wires down to 4 thou in diameter. We grind profiles using the Gen X grinder. We grind diameters using a TG12x4 high-act machine or one with standard ram bed positioning. Typical stock removal might be 5 thou. We have closed-loop laser gauge for automatic compensation. With that, we use an inline alcohol rinse, wipe, and dry. We measure the diameter over the length with SPC and trend chart. Length tolerances can be held within plus or minus 40 thou when grinding. We have an express feature for non-grind wire sections. The spool capacity is up to 14-inch diameter by 4-inch wide weld wire spools. There are 6 axes of coordinated motion, all servo-driven and verified by encoders. We have 2 rotational axes, one on each end, using a frameless servo and slip ring spindle. We have a spool payout with a frameless servo with an encoder on torque mode. The spool take-up has the similar frameless servo motor with encoder in drive mode. There is a level winding on the take-up side, which is a servo-driven ball screw with a carbide guide. Within the system is a linear wire sensor, with which we use for linear distance encoder to coordinate and take up speed and payout speed and coordinate the ram position to interpolate grind profiles. The system has an easy-to-use touchscreen interface. It has easy, intuitive controls to guide you to set the parameters. There's no programming involved with the spool-to-spool. The process tolerance and the speed are not limited by the spool-to-spool, but rather the process in between. We have a system in operation for test grinding purposes. Here we could receive your material and begin testing the grinder and spool feeding system. You would need to send us material and prints, and we can work out the details of the test grind when you are ready. For more information on this product and for an evaluation of how it might benefit your applications, contact Royal Master Grinders at www.royalmaster.com.